Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can buy a gift from somebody else's wish list. Right now, a lot of people is getting started with Christmas things and getting ready to buy all the presents, and sometimes you don't have the time to either go and buy it, or maybe your relatives or your friends are far from you. This is when Amazon came to the rescue. So let's go straight to the video. Okay, first of all, you need to know that when you're gonna buy from somebody else's wish list, you need to have either the wish list or the name of the person so you can look and search for these wish lists. I already have my wish list link here, so we're gonna go directly to that. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste it on my address bar and I'm gonna click on enter. Now I can see all these items from this wish list. As you can see, this is a wish list from amazon.com.mx. so in this case, this wish list is from a person who is located in Mexico. So that's why you need to make sure where is this wish list from. In order for them to get the presents, you need to go to the right website of the right country. Okay, you can use your same account that you're using for the country you're living and it will work. Okay, you don't have to create a different account for this. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna buy. So she even has this Nintendo Switch. Nice choice. I'm gonna buy this one, but on this one you can see that it says more options. Let's see what else is here. You can see in this wish list when every article was added. So in this case, this one was added on October 19 and this one was added on October 15. Okay, so I'm going to add another pair of leggings. I'm gonna add this and then we're gonna proceed with the payment. So here you just need to proceed with the payment and then let's see what happens. It asks you to put in the password again. Now we're in. It asks you to select the delivery address. And in this case, we are going to add a new address here. So I'm going just to add all the details here. And then you go through the gift options and you just add a message if you want to add a message. Then you have these options where you can choose to add a bag of present or just don't. You can choose this as well. In this case, I'm gonna add this gift bag. And you can also choose to add the email address once that it's delivered. It will be sent a gift receipt just in case that she needs to exchange anything or return anything. So I'm gonna add the address here. And when that you have filled everything, you just click on Save Gift Options. I'm gonna say here. And then you're gonna choose your payment method. And choose Continue. And after that, you will choose what delivery option you want. And then you just go to finalize your payment and it's done. That was it. It was just as easy as you could think of. If you have any questions or if you have anything else that you want to see in my future videos, just let me know in the comments down below. Remember that in this channel we talk about tutorials for Amazon, Facebook, Canva, and some other applications that will help you make your life easier. So if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.